welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do this makeup look. I found on Pinterest, again, like everything else. And I think it's fairly easy, but I'm not going to say too much because, yeah, I don't want to say too much because it's going to be scary if it's not, easy. So, anyway, I'm going to start with this palette, as you guys can see. And I'm going to start with this brown. No. Okay, guys, so we're basically going to use this kind of darker brown. Why do I keep saying brown? It's green. And then we're going to use the lime one on the inner here. You guys see the picture, so basically like that one. Yeah. Also, I just got a case recently, and I'm super happy and excited about that one because I've been wanting it for so long. I think we're going to just start with the... Oh my days. This is so pigmented. I love it. Anyway. Oh. I did make an eyeliner at the beginning. I just deleted it. Like for school, I just got back. You probably don't know this, but I usually make my videos either after school, before school, or like on Saturdays. Depending on how I want to do the day and how stressed I am or stuff like that. Because I don't really it just makes sense way more that way. Okay, guys, I know you won't see as good, but okay, so I just made a line, and then we're just going to kind of create this, and oh my days, I don't even know how this one goes. Is this the good? Is this gonna look like the picture? I don't know if this is the exact color. Anyways, I'm thinking I have two palettes here. Here's a more lime green. I should go with this one, right? Anyway, so I'm taking basically this color. I've got an accent. I don't know which accent I got. It's just a weird accent. I don't know what accent. Anyway, so basically this is just going to be here. It's a really simple look, not gonna lie. So I love these kind of looks where they looks like you took a lot of energy. Oh my god, I know. Listen here. So in 6th grade, basically you go to school, and then when you go to 7th grade, because the system here is not the same as like every other country, because we want to be special, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so basically I'm in high school, and then there's something called gymnasium, and then university, like college, and basically gymnasium is the same thing as high school. But I'm in 8th grade because I'm 15, and we call this grade high school, so whatever. So basically 7th to 9th is high school in this country. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, and before I went to the other school, right? And people were usually were asking me, why are you dressing up so much? Which I didn't, mind you. I actually didn't, for real. But I wore really nice clothes because I know how to match them. And then in 7th grade, I don't know what happened, because in 6th grade I really care about my looks. I stayed up at night and then made my hair kind of hairstyle. So for example, I would braid my hair and wake up with curly hair, or I would straighten it the night before, because then it would give me a really nice, not too curly, no, not too straight look, but it's still straight, Anyway. So yeah, that's basically it. It was really nice, It was before I dressed really nice, and I loved that, and then I failed. I don't know what happened, but suddenly I'm not good at it anymore. So yeah, that's kind of sad. I haven't been making videos a lot since, not really that big of a reason because of it, but I can still mention it. One of the reasons being Ramadan, which to be honest, I feel really bad because I feel like this Ramadan hasn't been hyped enough. I don't know what happened, but people don't talk about it even. It feels like it's almost a bit forgotten. And it feels like nobody is actually fasting or anything, which is quite weird. I guess people are mystified or something, I don't know. Because, it feels weird. It was like the first days, people cared, but then like later on nobody even mentioned it. I gotta make my skin a bit clearer, but before I had like not kind of pimples, but I had it, basically a bit of acne on my forehead, and it actually finally disappeared, which is really nice. Anyways, this is basically the final look, I guess. Oh yeah, and it was lime green in the corner. Let me fix that one. This was more of a like update video, I think. Oh, it's actually quite pretty. I don't have any foundation on, so don't judge me, okay? Please, don't judge. But basically, this is the final. What do you guys think? Let me just put on some lipstick. Okay, guys, so I'm so sorry, but I totally forgot that I was filming, so I just wanted to say goodbye. And that was basically it. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.